Want to create a cinematic storyboard for your music video, film idea, or creative project in a couple of minutes? Here's how to do it using Adobe Firefly. First, open firefly.adobe.com and go to the Boards section. Click Create a Board. Select the text tool and type the title of your project. You can customize the font, size, and colours, and even add a link for the soundtrack or mood reference. Now start building the structure of your storyboard. Create sections like Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, or organise scenes however you want. Next, click Generate Image. Write a prompt describing the exact shot you want to create. Choose the AI model, select the aspect ratio, pick the resolution, and experiment with different visual effects and styles. For example, you can customize lighting, colours, subjects, scenes, or artistic styles. Generate your frame and continue building the visual world of your story. You can also add images directly from Adobe Stock. Search for references and place them directly onto your board. Once you generate multiple frames, select all of them and arrange them into a clean storyboard layout. You can organise everything into rows, columns, or a mosaic view. To expand your scenes even further, click on any generated image and use options like More Like This, Keep Style, or Keep Subject. You can also turn storyboard frames into animated shots. Select a frame, click Convert, then Image to Video. Choose your AI model, pick widescreen or vertical format, and define a first and last frame for the animation. You can also use the marker tool to leave notes, sketch ideas, or highlight details directly on the board. When your storyboard is finished, click Share to copy a link or invite your team members by email. And that's it, a complete cinematic storyboard created with AI inside Adobe Firefly.